going on, everybody? Today I wasn't really planning on making a video, but day before yesterday now, it would have been, I saw that the Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro were on sale. Normally they're 150 bucks. I saw that they were 100, and I made a post about having to sell something to get them. Which I really didn't have anything to sell anyways. So Travis McP actually saw that, and well, here they are. Like I said, I wasn't planning on buying them. You know, I didn't really have the money for them, but he hooked it up. So huge shout out to Travis, dude. This is freaking awesome. I almost didn't actually make this video simply because I wanted to listen to these so badly. But I actually got busy at work today, so I was not able to get these set up anyways. So here we are. So we'll go ahead and do the unboxing, and we'll do first impression like I normally do. And then we'll kind of go from there. I was really excited about the Liberty 2 Pros though, because I've never really seen a pair of Bluetooth headphones get the universal praise that these have. I haven't really heard anybody say anything that isn't a glowing review of these earphones, and I had to freaking hear them. I had to. So, like I said, here we are. One thing that I am super impressed by is the packaging on these. I was kind of surprised. Not so much. Honestly, I was surprised because most of the Soundcore stuff I get is fairly simple as far as the package and stuff goes. They make great headphones. They're fairly simple with their packaging, which is fine. But this packaging, I mean, the cardboard and just everything just feels high quality. So we have right on top here, we have the case, little get started thing on the bottom there. And then this basically just tells you how to open the case, and it slides up like so. We're gonna go ahead and take that bad boy off. Throw that right there. We're gonna close this case. If I do have one complaint really quick, is this door feels very flimsy. I mean, the open and shut mechanism feels really good. It's just the door itself and the way it's latched onto the case, I suppose. It just feels a little flimsy. I don't think, it doesn't seem like it would have any problems holding up over time. And then back we have USB-C. You're probably not going to see that because my camera's not going to focus, but it's USB-C. And then we have, oh, I pushed a button, the earbuds, and I could already tell these are going to be too big for my ears. The wings might not be, but the ear tips are going to be. These are actually a lot lighter than I was expecting, considering how big they are. And then there's another little pull tab here. Underneath, you just have this, and I'm guessing underneath the booklets and stuff, we got little books. And then, yep, we have a handful of pairs of ear tips, and then your charging cable. So I'm not even gonna try and put those ear tips in my small ass ears. Let's try these little guys here. I'm not gonna change out the wings. I'm gonna leave those on, see how they go. Cool thing here is they each have a button on top, and then you could tell right and left there's just a little mark in L and R on each of these, and then there is a corresponding marking. It's right here. You can't really see it too well, but there's an L and R in those two little circles there. So they actually sit in the case kind of sideways. And I don't know why my camera's having a hard time focusing. Maybe it's my stupid face. But they sit in there kind of sideways and charge up just like that. On the front here, you missed it. Let me see if I can. I should have known that was gonna happen. That was 100% my fault. Anyways, on the front of the case, you have your blinking lights there. Hopefully I didn't break these. Again, if you watch my channel quite often, or you know, if you've just kind of stumbled across one or two of my other videos, where I'm unboxing some truly wireless earbuds. Yeah, that happens a lot. So on the top here you see the Liberty 2 Pro, and then a couple down right there is the Liberty 2 Pro L. So I've really only noticed that happen on the One More Stylish. They had that same type of deal where one paired and then the other paired, and I don't know, they worked just fine. There was no issues with them at all that I could tell, but that's definitely something that I don't see very often with truly wireless earbuds, at least anymore. I will say right off the bat, the fit is freaking comfortable. I honestly can't really believe how nicely these fit. Let's turn up just a little bit. Oh. Oh. Oh, that bass. Oh my God. Ooh. Oh, that, oh. Oh. What? Hold on. I gotta go. I gotta go to this. That bass hit is insane. Oh. 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 Oh my God. Oh. Oh, I gotta take those out. Oh my God. Wow. Oh, wow. For real. Oh my God. Speechless. Hold on. Let me think of things to say. Wow. So, okay. I've heard a lot of headphones that have real strong bass because that's what, most people like. They like the, the thumping strong bass. And a lot of headphones, they get it great. They do just fine. I mean, the bass is tight and whatever, it sounds good. But that's the type of bass you don't hear unless you're listening to like speakers. You know what I mean? That's just, even in over-ear headphones, I haven't heard that kind of lower extension in the low bass. That's just nuts. That is bananas. I don't really ever use that word. That is absolutely freaking bananas. Okay. Oh, and it looks like the case can be wirelessly charged. That helps. If you don't have USB-C cable or anything, you just have a wireless charger. That bass it's just, and the crazy thing is it's not like in your face, just raw bass. It's controlled. All right, first impressions, these are freaking insane. I mean, insane. What they were able to do in a pair of truly wireless earbuds, that is absolutely freaking bananas. I mean, there's no other word that I can say that can convey the type of sounds that were coming out of those earbuds. I mean, just bananas. Just that's all I got. That's it. That's all I got. Obviously, they're not perfect, but for $150, $100, $200, unless you absolutely have to have active noise cancellation, I don't see why you would buy any other earbud. Now, granted, this is coming from all of about 5 minutes of me listening to them, so I don't have the greatest representation of what they fully sound like. This is obviously not a full review, but just in the handful of minutes that I've actually listened to them and the things that I've heard come out of them, I don't see why you would want to buy any other earbuds. This can be your very last pair of truly wireless earbuds. Not me, because I'm crazy, but for most of you out there that don't have 37 pairs of truly wireless earbuds, this can be your one and only. I mean, What we have 32 total hours of playtime, obviously with the case, 8 hours just on its own, 100% charge from the earbuds. You're getting 8 hours of playtime out of them. So you're looking at, for most people, a full workday. The extension throughout the bass range, though, is just bananas. Okay, I promise you I'm gonna stop saying that word, but what I'm trying to say is, I think these, in about 5 minutes, have become my favorite truly wireless earbuds. So, to sum up, they're freaking awesome. Go buy them. That's all I got for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Until the next one, later.